This is the most important interactive pattern in Flutter. The counter with setState. We need two classes. Counter extends StatefulWidget, and underscore counterState extends state. The state class holds int count equals 0. This is our changing data. In build, we return an elevated button. The child text shows count and the current value. When pressed, onPressed calls setState with a function that increments count. setState tells Flutter, data changed. Please rebuild this widget. Flutter runs build again, and the text shows the new count. If you write count++ without setState, the variable changes, but the screen does not update. This is the #1 beginner bug. Always wrap state changes in setState. Type this exact code in your app. Put counter in the body of a scaffold. Tap the button and watch the number increase. That is your app coming alive. Every form, toggle, slider, and animation in Flutter uses this same pattern. State holds data, setState updates it, build shows it. Memorize this trio.